Michelle Hayden for the state.
For the defense?
Dwight Chumley.
And are you Ms. Perez? Defense, I'm showing you the discovery acknowledgement. Have you received all the discovery in this case, and did you review it with your client?
Yes.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Ms. Perez, I'm showing you what's entitled application for deferred adjudication or community supervision. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it, and did you sign it? Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
Yes.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Yes, we are, Your Honor.
Did you understand you're charged with the offense of aggravated assault with a deadly weapon? That's a second-degree felony. The range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 20 years in prison and up to $10,000 fine. Did you understand? Did you understand if the court were to grant your application for deferred adjudication, if for any reason your deferred adjudication were revoked, the court could find you guilty and sentence you up to 20 years in prison? Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses to this offense?
Yes.
Do you believe she has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against her?
Yes.
Do you believe she's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes.
According to the plea bargain agreement, there's to be a $1,500 fine, affirmative finding of deadly weapon. State recommends deferred adjudication. There's an affirmative finding of family violence, and there's to be no harmful or injurious contact with Jessica Hernandez. Did you understand with an affirmative finding of family violence, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition? Did you understand with an affirmative finding of family violence, you're not allowed to be designated as primary custodial parent? Did you understand that to be the entirety of the plea bargain agreement? Defense, is that the plea bargain agreement?
Yes.
State, is that the plea bargain agreement?
Yes, Your Honor.
Next, I'm showing you outside the plea bargain agreement. The state is recommending that your deferred adjudication be for a term of 7 years. There'll be a TAP evaluation, 150 hours of community service restitution in the BIPP course. Did you understand those are recommendations from the state and the court does not have to follow those recommendations? Then to the offenses charged in the indictment, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest? State, any evidence? I'm sorry, you're gonna have to speak up.
No contest.
State offers State's Exhibit 1 and its attachments into evidence.
No objection.
All right, Ms. Pettis, I'm showing you what's entitled waiving consent to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Did you review this document with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes,
Court will accept into evidence States Exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. All right, after reviewing States Exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty. Court will defer finding of guilt as you apply for deferred adjudication. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, so just so the parties know, I'm not going to agree to this no harmful or injurious contact with Jessica Hernandez. So if that's something that's going to break this plea bargain agreement, I'm not doing it.
It's not, Your Honor. That's fine, Your Honor. I told her that she is going to have no contact with her at all. And she
Yes.
that's not.
All right. So here's the thing. You can't shoot somebody and then say you love them. We don't shoot people we love. So your relationship with her is over. And whether or not she wants to be in a relationship with you, that's besides the point. I'm not going to allow you to have any contact with her. Do you understand? All right. This is what the court is going to do. It's a $1,500 fine, probated, 7 years deferred adjudication. There's an affirmative finding of family violence. There's an affirmative finding of a deadly weapon. There's to be no contact with Jessica Hernandez. And when I say no contact, that means no cards, no letters, no contact whatsoever, no sending a letter saying I'm sorry or any of that. Do you understand? There's to be 150 hours of community service restitution. 40 of those hours will be waived if you provide proof of the COVID vaccination. Court is not requiring you to get the COVID vaccination, but if you do, 40 of those hours will be waived. The BIPP course. Do you have any children? What do you do for a living?
I was a home care provider.
Not anymore. I don't allow people on probation to be a home health care provider. So how far did you go in school?
Dropped out like in 9th grade.
Why?
I didn't have my credit, so I dropped out.
That makes no sense. Nobody has credits to graduate from high school in the 9th grade.
I have enough to pass my degree.
All right. There's going to be proof of employment within 30 days. There's to be no employment as a home health care provider or with minors. I'm going to ask for regular reporting by Zoom or in person. There's to be regular UAs. And I'm going to want field visits 2 times per month. Probation, is there anything else she needs?
No, Your Honor.
Is there anything else you need from the court? And probation, I'm serious about no home health care, no minors. And I'm going to do no unsupervised contact with minors as well. Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand? Because this is an affirmative finding of family violence, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. Do you understand? If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand? All right, thank you.
Let's get the facts straight. She loves a verbal ashtray. Never blowing smoke when she gets pissed. She's quick to castrate. Love her on a good day, love her on a bad day. Either way, she's here to stay, stay, stay.